this mess. This is the end. I'm doomed. Doomed!
Hey, Sammy, what's going on?
Oh, Sue! Barbie's coming to visit, and I'm trying to make this room cozy for her. But there's no time left, and I just keep messing up. Ouch! That's what I'm talking about.
No worries. I can help you. I've got an idea.
Really? You're gonna help me? Susie, you're the best. A life savior.
So here's all we need to make a cute dollhouse. Let's have a look inside. Woo! We'll get to use all this stuff during the assembling.
Oh, it looks like a lot. Do you really know what to do?
It's not as hard as it seems. I wonder what it is, though.
Huh, I hope you know what you're doing, Sue. I'm counting on you.
These seem to be the largest details. I think we should start with them. And this, is it a wall? Is gonna be the first? What texture should I use? Ah, I know, I'll take not one, but 3. Pink, sky blue, and the dotted one?
Hey, Sue, do you think this makes a good hat? I kinda like it.
Absolutely, but we really need it for the house. I will make this wall pink.
Cool! My favorite color. Did you want to please me, Sue?
I did. Now can you guess what's this?
A dragon's head, a dinosaur, a snowdrift.
What? Not really, Sammy. It's actually the floor.
Very stylish. Barbie's gonna say that I have great taste.
You, huh?
Fine, we do.
That's better.
Wow, Sue, you're so fast. You've already done a lot.
Yep, and we'll start assembling the house soon.
Say no more. I'm ready, as well as my drill.
Did you say drill?
Ah, I see how it is. You want to use that boring glue, do you?
It might be boring, but it's safe too. Plus, we need to finish the house fast. And with a drill, something can easily go wrong. This wall goes here and voila!
Wait, Sue, this wall is ruined. Can't you see these small holes?
Oh, these are gonna help us get the light into the room.
Ah, I see. Can we start assembling the second floor? I think this piece is meant to become the floor.
Good thinking, Sammy. Let's put it right here. And here, we'll have another wall.
Wait, Sue, where are we going to make the bathroom? It's a very important room, you know what I mean?
We might put it here, or even here.
Wherever you want, but make it faster, Sue. I can't hold it anymore.
Okay, it's gonna be here, and we will start with the tiles. I'll use 2 colors of paper, a ruler and a marker.
Phew, Sue, you can relax now. You don't need to hurry anymore. Holy cannoli, the tiles look great. Let me look closer. You're doing great, Susie. Barbie's gonna love it.
Thank you, Sammy. I've had this idea for quite some time. These should go like this.
It seems like our house is lacking something, but what can it be? Where is it? I could bet I just saw it here. Ah, Mr. Flamingo. Do you happen to know where I left it? No? Aha, here you are, my precious. Sue, take it, and I will give you the instructions.
No worries, Sam. I think I know what to do with a window.
Oh, really? Well, you're supposed to paint it pink, but you didn't.
That's exactly what I was going to do. Let me mix these 2 shades of pink first. And now it's painting time. I'll try to be extra careful.
Awesome! Can we install it now? Please say we can.
Yep, I'm done with the painting process. Here it goes. Perfect. And another window will go right here. By the way, Sammy, what are you busy with back there?
I'm making this secret piece, but I can't tell you what it is yet.
Oh well, I guess we'll just have to wait and see that for ourselves, friends.
Oh yeah, this house looks great. But where the bedroom is going to be?
I thought about making it here. I think it's the perfect spot. There's no bedroom without a bed, right? So let's start with it.
Ah, it turns out so cute. I wish I had the same in my room.
Okay, Sammy, the next bed we make will be yours.
Nights can get chilly. I can lend Barbie my favorite blanket.
Ah, that's so sweet of you. But she needs a smaller blanket, like this one. It fits perfectly.
Sue, we also need pillows. Give me a sec, I'll go grab some.
Sammy, I've already took care of that. And all this coziness goes right here.
So heavy. I thought we can use this thingy I found at a slime flea market. And I can go and check if they have any other cool stuff. I bet I will find something awesome.
Wow, it fits perfectly. You have good taste, Sammy. And this is from me.
So, are we done here, Sue? I want to check out the bedroom.
Ever heard the word patience? I think we could use a curtain to protect the room from curious slimes.
No curtain can stop curious slimes. It looks rather pretty, though.
What if we cut it into 2 curtains? This way it will be much more comfortable. I want to make one more thing, but these details are too pale.
Beep, beep. Instant delivery. Here's some paint for you.
Thank you, and the color is great.
I still can't figure out what you want to make. So, what is it gonna be, Sue?
What does it look like?
A bird cage?
Okay, let me assemble it and then you'll see. So any ideas?
I think it's unfair. I never make you suffer from curiosity.
All right, Sammy, I will tell you. Give me just a second. And ta-da!
Ooh, it's a swing chair. How cute.
With a cushion, it looks even better.
Hey, Sue, your time to guess.
A bathroom wall?
What? How did you… It's unfair. You're too smart.
Thanks for the compliment, Sammy. I'll put the toilet here, but it doesn't look glamorous enough, so let's give it a little sparkle.
That's right. We don't need anything not glamorous. Am I right?
And here goes a pretty glamorous sink.
It just hit me, Sue. How will Barbie get upstairs?
No panic, we'll make a staircase. And we'd better use enough glue to make it safe.
Can I finally use my drill? Pretty, please?
No need, Sammy. Look, it's already done.
How are you doing this? So is it safe enough? You sure?
Yep, because we'll also add this.
Ah, great. Then I won't need to worry about Barbie's safety. So, now we can continue with the first floor. Stay tuned, folks!
I'm starving. I got too carried away with the craft and forgot to eat.
Then it's a good thing I found this cool fridge.
Wow, and it's pink! I wish I could have the same. There, and the counter will be here. But first, we need to assemble it. Yay, it looks cute.
Can you guess what this is?
A sink?
Come on!
And it goes right here. And the tap goes on top.
The counter looks plain. We need more stylish decor.
That's a great idea, Sam. Let's do this.
Look, Sue, I found more colors.
Great job, Sam.
I also found a table that will perfectly match the counter.
Now we need chairs. Let's speed up with the assembling. Wow, so pretty! I think we could use another curtain over here. The final touch and the kitchen is ready.
So only the living room is left? Ha! I've got a perfect centerpiece. Look over there. Doesn't that sofa give the main character's vibe?
Wow! It sure does, Sammy. It will look great here.
Nothing can make it better.
Except for a couple of pink cushions. I've got another idea. Let's assemble a coffee table.
Oh ho, Sue, it looks very stylish and super modern.
And it's pink too. Give us a thumbs up if you like it, friends. Oh, Barbie will so love this.
Yeah, she can also keep candies on it.
Well, that's up to her to decide. It's her home. It seems like we're done.
But where will I sit when I will come to visit Barbie?
Don't worry. Here's a rocking chair in your favorite color.
Hey, it looks a bit too small. Although, I'm a slime. I'll squeeze in. By the way, I've prepared a cool surprise for Barbie. She'll love it. Finally, I can use my tools.
Oh, Sam, what's going on?
Here you go. Now Barbie can throw a music party.
Wow, it's the cutest mini piano I've ever seen.
I thought you could play the piano, Sue.
I thought so too. Well, Sammy, what do you say? Are we done?
No way. I have a feeling that we're missing something. Well, of course.
Wow, it's so cozy. I'd like to add something too. Like flowers and houseplants. And a few more cute touches.
Whoa, it's the most beautiful… Huh? My phone? Hello, Barbie? What? Arriving in 5 minutes? Sue, we gotta hurry. Barbie's coming.
The house is ready. I've even added one more detail. Come see.
And what have you added? Oh, wow, lights.
Yep, Barbie is gonna enjoy all the comforts you can only think of. Shall we have one more look at this house?
Sue, we've done a great job. This house is stunning. Hey guys, I'm here. Sammy, where are you? Hi, Barbie. Over here, on the second floor.
Oh, wow! How lovely! Did you do it all for me?
Yes, it's all yours. We tried hard to make it comfy.
I love it. It's such a beautiful house. Thank you, Sam. Thank you all. Oh, Sue, it's the best house I've ever had.
We're always happy to see you here.
Oh, can I post it on my socials?
Oh, sure thing. But make sure to choose the best photo.
This is just great.
What have you done, Sue?
What's wrong?
Don't tell me you don't know what's gonna happen now.
I saw that beautiful house Barbie had posted. Can you make the same house for me? Did someone say house? I want a house too.
That's what I was talking about. What shall we do now?
Poor Sam. Well, this is it for today, friends. See you soon. Oh, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.